Hi friends, I'm here in Jasper. If anyone recognizes this mountain out here, this is Pyramid Mountain. But anyways, I wanted to pop on here and just recognize that I'm nearly done my my classes, my diploma program. So I did my 2 semesters, and I just completed today my counseling in family youth counseling section. I'm sure it'll be, if it scares me, then it means that I need to potentially pursue it, and it does scare me. So I think maybe someday down the line I will do that. But right now I'm just completing my life coaching diploma, and I'm hoping, actually I'm not hoping anymore because I did get it. This next week I'm gonna be signing some papers to complete like a practicum with the community outreach services in Jasper, which I'm really excited about. Yeah, I've done a lot of school and I want to take some time, like take breaks. I think I'll be coming back to the wellness program at some point, but I want to get my feet wet with the life coaching since I haven't had a chance to do that. I did get my life coaching certificate. I should show you that. It's pretty cool little like plaque to have. Oh, it's been heavy content for the second semester, like more academic and more exams. So I'm finding it a little more challenging to keep up a little bit of the vlogging along with all my other life things that have been changing. I don't know. I've been just trying to adjust into a new lifestyle with being in a van. I've been able to do my classes because I have mobile or like remote Wi-Fi access with a Starlink. So that's been really good. I can just park up and plop this thing out, and I do the dang thing. I do the classes. But then after classes, I'm like, okay, there's a few more steps now to like make myself a meal and get myself, I don't know, prepped for the rest of the day. It's just a lot of differentness. Yeah, so I've been adjusting to that and trying to find routine again because I've shifted. I've thrown a wrench into my routine, and yeah, now I'm back. I've been just wanting to get into the water. So here I am, standing in the water. Lately, yeah, I've just wanted to be by water. I don't know what it is about water. Probably because I'm a water sign. My astrology is a water sign, but I just find being by water or being able to put my feet in it, I don't necessarily need to swim. I just feel so much more rejuvenated if I can be by water. So I've been making that my priority lately, at least in this past week. So, anywho's, I better get back to the kitty cats. Just did a little loop around Lake Annette one more time. Beautiful. That's Lake Annette for ya. Crystal blue waters.